Good morning students, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to learn about the adjectives and its comparison. Comparison of adjectives, the degrees of comparison, what are the different degrees of comparison, each and everything will be explained to you in this video. First let's understand what is an adjective. An adjective is a describing word and it is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Now there are different kinds of adjectives which we have already discussed and the video is already there. You can go through the video and learn what are the different kinds of adjectives. But let me remind you what are the different kinds of adjective once more. Proper adjectives which are formed out of proper nouns. Adjective of quality which tells you about the quality of a noun or pronoun. Adjective of quantity which tells you about the quantity, a little, a few, less. Adjective of number which tells you about how many. How many? Adjective of number is again divided into cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal stands for the numerical form, whereas ordinal stands for order, first, second, third, fourth, the position. Then we have interrogative adjective which asks you a question. Then comes possessive adjective which tells you to whom does an object belongs to. Okay, possessive, it is his pen, this is my pen, it is your pen. These all, his, her, mine, yours, theirs. These all words are telling you about the possession, to whom it belongs to. So now we are going to learn about the comparison. Now, in a sentence, the adjectives are often used to compare more than one people, more than one, more than two or more people. Okay? But the adjectives are different. How are they different? They are different because we have positive, comparative and superlative form of adjectives. And what are they and when are they used? They have a different usage. Meaning everywhere we can't use all these. They have a proper use. They can be used in particular sentences. You can't use each and every adjective everywhere. But when it comes to comparison of adjectives, we have three forms: positive, comparative and superlative. What is degree? The first thing that is written over here is degree of comparison. When we are using an adjective, when we use an adjective to compare between two person or more than two person, that is called degrees of comparison. And what are these degrees? They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now we are going to see examples to make it more clear. What is positive, what is comparative and what is superlative. Now I have written three sentences over here. Now we are going to discuss each and every sentences one by one and we are going to see which degree of comparison have been used in these three sentences. Charlie is a clever student. Charlie is a clever student. This is an adjective. Now this sentence is having a positive degree. Clever over here is meant for positive degree, like I told you, because degrees of adjectives are used to compare. Clever over here in this sentence is a positive degree, and positive degree is used for a simple sentence. Okay, the positive degree of an adjective is the adjective in its simple form. Okay, this adjective is in its simple form. Now come to second sentence. Charlie is cleverer than Peter. Now over here you can see that adjective is a little different. Cleverer. Charlie is cleverer than Peter. Now over here in the second sentence we have got two persons. Charlie is first person and the other person is Peter. Now when we are comparing between two persons, we are going to use the ER form. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Okay, happy, happier, happiest. Sad, sadder, saddest. So the words, the adjectives ending with er will be called as comparative adjectives. And the comparative adjective is used to compare between two persons. Okay, whenever we are comparing between two persons, we are going to use the comparative degree. And a comparative degree will generally look like ending with er. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Cleverer is comparative degree. Happier, comparative degree. Sadder, comparative degree. Okay. Now come to third sentence. Charlie is the cleverest student in class. Here again the adjective is clever, but it is ending with the letter est, cleverest. This is the superlative form, superlative degree. This is superlative degree and cleverer is comparative. Charlie is the cleverest student in class. Now the second sentence was telling you the comparison between two persons. But superlative degree is used when we are comparing with more than two persons. How are we comparing with more than two persons? See, Charlie is the cleverest student in class. In class there can be many students. Many people are there. More than two persons are there. That is why we use the superlative form. Now understand what is positive, what is comparative and what is superlative form. The adjective in simple form is called positive. Comparative form is when the adjective is ending with er, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Cleverer is the comparative degree. Superlative form is the est form of the adjective. Cleverest, happiest, saddest. Okay? They, good, better, best. Good, simple form. Better, comparative form. Best is the superlative form. So these adjectives, bad, worse, worst, it is not necessary that everywhere the comparative degree will be ending with er only. There are different types of adjectives which can be used in a different way in comparative and superlative degree. So don't get confused with comparative and superlative, that each and every adjective has to end with er or est in superlative form. Okay? So please make note of that and be very clear about the concept. Okay? So the positive, comparative and superlative are the three degrees of comparison. And the other thing that you have to make note is that whenever you are writing the superlative form, the article the has to be placed before it. Okay? Because you are talking about a specific person, particular person. Okay? That is why the article the is always used before the superlative degree. Okay? Good, better, best. Good is the adjective, positive degree. Better is the comparative degree. Best is the superlative degree. Okay? Another, tall, taller, comparative degree, tallest. Okay? So these are about the positive, comparative and superlative degree. In the next video, I shall be discussing about more new topics from comparison. Till now, I shall keep it till here. Please go through the video and read whatever notes are given to you on your WhatsApp. Go through the notes, watch the video carefully. If you have any doubts or confusion, please don't hesitate to ask, because I shall be clearing all your doubts on your Zoom class. Okay? Thank you.